Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to delete a Facebook profile in 2023. So go ahead and log into your Facebook profile and you want to select the avatar up here where you can see the settings and privacy. And if you select settings and privacy, then you will see a new list of options. Go ahead and select settings. And once you are in the settings page, you can go ahead and select the accounts center. This is all one big selection here. And in the account center, scroll down and select personal details. Once you are in the personal details, you can select account ownership and control. And in this page, you will select deactivation or delete. And then you can select the profile that you want to deactivate or delete. And then it gives you a little information about the differences between deactivating or deleting. So let's go ahead and select delete and select continue, and then just be aware that there's probably like 14 pages to select through, because they don't want you to delete your account. So they want you to maintain that profile. So if you decide to delete, it's going to list, pages and additional Facebook profiles that will also be deleted. You can select continue. Then Facebook is pleading with you not to go. And you can just select, I no longer find Facebook useful. Select continue. Once more, Facebook, trying to help you find friends, learn about Facebook, select continue. Gives you a little bit more information about deleting, but before you do, just wait, there's more. They want to go over the list of reasons why you should deactivate instead of deleting. You can save all that or transfer info if you want. Go ahead and continue once more. Then it's going to ask for your password. And this is your login password to your Facebook profile, and then select continue. Confirm permanent account deletion, and then you would actually select to delete your account. And then just keep in mind you have 30 days to reactivate your account and cancel the deletion. So if you have total regret, then on day 29, go back in and reactivate by logging in. Otherwise, this is how you delete a Facebook profile in 2023. Thanks for joining and watching.